Okay everyone, my name is Mike Brown. I am the inventor of the SafeMate hybrid electric clothes dryer. What I am concerned about is dryer fire safety. So to demonstrate just how safe the hybrid electric dryer is over conventional electric dryers, we are going to show you how gasoline will interact with an electric clothes dryer and how gasoline will interact with a hybrid electric clothes dryer. So to let you know that we're using real gasoline, we're doing a demonstration. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to actually spray it on the electric heating element that comes with this type of conventional clothes dryer that millions of people have in their home right now. Let's see what it does. As you see here, gasoline flaming up. Do not do this at home. And this is dangerous because any type of petroleum that comes near your dryer, if you have your dryer in a garage, the fumes alone could cause it to ignite. But this is just to show you how volatile an electric dryer can be with gasoline. The whole demonstration of this is to show you how safe the SafeMate dryer is, even with gasoline applied to it. And ladies and gentlemen, the exhaust is blocked off 100% as if lint was clogged up in your dryer. This is when dryers become more dangerous and hazardous, when the exhaust gets blocked off. When lint comes into contact with these electric heat elements, of course, lint is very volatile, and so it will also ignite. And you don't want that because embers from the lint could be passed down into your clothes, and next thing you know, you have your load of clothes that's on fire because of those embers that come from the burning lint. Now, the hybrid electric dryer, which is the safest clothes dryer in the world. I have water in this container just to show you that this system is hot, and it is hot to the touch, very hot. However, it's not hot enough to ignite lint, and it's not even hot enough to ignite gasoline. Let's do the test first with water. Show you this is water. Water, You can see the water boiling. It's just steaming up. This is the hottest part of the system right here. Okay, so we ran the test with water. Now we're going to run a test with gasoline. Trust me, I'm not going to do this. I will do this. Gasoline, hybrid electric technology. Gasoline. As you can see, it does not get hot enough to ignite lint. It does not even get hot enough to ignite gasoline, unlike the electric clothes dryer. Gasoline. Water. Just to show you how hot it is.